NETGEAR CM500-1AZNAS 16x4 DOCSIS 3.0 cable modem, max download speeds of 686 megabits per second, certified for Xfinity from Comcast, Spectrum, Cox, Cablevision and more. The best cable modem, the wire cutter. Support cable internet service plans up to 200 megabits per second. Separate router required for Wi-Fi 16x4 channel bonding. DOCSIS 3.0 up to 16x faster download speeds than DOCSIS 2.0. Number of Ethernet ports, 1 Gigabit Ethernet port with auto-sensing technology. Eliminate monthly cable modem rental fees, up to $156 United States dollars per year. System requirements: Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 10, Vista, XP, 2000, Mac OS, or other operating systems running a TCP/IP network. Microsoft Internet Explorer 5.0, Firefox 2.0, Safari 1.4, or Google Chrome 11.0 browsers or higher. Not compatible with Verizon, AT&T, or CenturyLink. Not compatible with bundled voice services. Compatible with Xfinity from Comcast, Spectrum, Cox, Cable One and more. Ideal for streaming HD videos, faster downloads, and high-speed online gaming. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.